All right, Irish potato is the second most important crop in Kenya after maize, and with food security being one of the big four agenda, Cabinet Secretary of Ministry of Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries, Wangi Kiunjuri, launched the Irish potato regulations at the Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization headquarters in Nairobi. The regulations seek to address the challenges in the potato sector.
Other perishable crops like vegetable, like tomato, like potato, how do you come up with storage facility? We know that it is not the business of government to do business. However, government must facilitate their farmers because it is a heavy investment. We have to demonstrate to the private sector that if they venture in those storage, they can make money. And at the same time, farmers to understand that if they can be able to hold their commodities in those storage facilities, they can make more profits, more money.